General Motors has announced a number of new model variants, packages, and special edition models as part of the Chevrolet's 4th of July celebration in Thailand earlier this month. The celebration included a party in honor of the American spirit and Chevrolet's American heritage, and also included the debut of the 2 Chevrolet Colorado variants. With just 50 units planned for production, the Chevrolet Colorado 4th of July edition is a limited edition model. The package is offered on 4-door high country models, including both 4x2 and 4x4 drivetrain models.